खबर लाइकम नाम ता के ब्रन काम देखने कचिंग लाइकम हपक ऑफिस जोंका ऑफिस ऑफ चीफ इंजीनियर स्टेट स्पोर्ट्स काउंसिल मेघालय on contractual basis for a period of 1 year. And the application will be received in the office of Ranasanya up to 3 p.m. from 28 June 11 July 2022. Hadu khatway tarik July mo ga last date bapin submit the application jong pi nakan mau ka application ke dimlah ka standard form angkar berki dokumen piaban pendai lang haju te kipus ki balai kilong kana man ko ga junior engineer art li pus te ke age long arpoi do life arts. The operation limit is flexible for 5 years for SC/ST nupta ke SSC long by life arts name thangut pa long sans name biang te long hadu life news name. The eligibility condition long ba Pidiban long citizen of India but Pidiban don ka educational diploma in civil engineering from any recognized institution. Pidiban don ya kaneka civil engineering diploma te kaneka tali expert fill up and apply la da pidon kalau tang shipus mana te ke age limit ke dehi anando voice name do life r plus ka relaxation te nationality dibilang Indian te educational qualification te syuong banyak ba pinde bendon ka diploma in computer application with tali DCAT mo la da pidon ke diploma in tali fill up and apply te pidin ha thoro he should have 1 year experience certificate in tali application pidin bendon ke experience rate ba fill up don shisnam ha tali application like your experience mo te kaner don tang shiposi te saka office pion kaner don tang shiposi pass class A kenebra te kasnem gade voice name sejrong te lanyang tabre kini artali jong senior subdivisional accountant but junior divisional accountant kade tang nam tagi bala retired personnel from directorate of account and treasuries no age limit nam tagi ni near don kawai post nam ta jongki te kijinon kam ba pide ban skabai kene ki badan kam ki ba apply mo ki ba apply kene post thid ya standard form napo kijukan xerox te ndal de pendap ki ro kijinon kam te phap submit lang ba kine self attested age certificate kun ka birth certificate phaban attest ka te ke educational qualification certificate ro ki ba ki haban submit te ke epic te ke experience certificate la pidon te ke STSC certificate and other testimonial la rang don biang no got iba pidon if any more done okay artli kidur passport size recent self attested phap attest hi kituru the application pada ka dipen poi office jong chief engineer state sports council lum sopho nong thamai shillong nyok nai line not khatsau te ka don hapok nok smai ni office phapen poi ha kanek office te rakan mau wan tho bai number phone jong phi email number baro nduk postal address e baro te pendap ha te nam ta ki eligible candidate pada kisah syukur interview yang kita tarik insap penting paden te kan mau man submit ka last date kan day khadoi tarik jung Julai te ki ko wan tap select submit ki application form si hapok office tangini kublejun